What's good, folks? Chef London back with another video. Real quick before we jump into the video, I'm giving you a glimpse of my core workout. I couldn't make it to the gym. It's a really good workout. You're going to repeat the circuit 3 times, but hit the subscribe button first. Follow me on Instagram at King London Supreme. Hope you enjoy. If it's good, like it. All right, folks, first exercise is going to be plank side steps. Make sure you're in a straight line. All right, I like to use a mirror. In this case, I have the camera holding me accountable, but make sure the body's nice and straight, butt is not too high, not too low. You usually know you're in the right position when it hurts a lot. 30 seconds, let's work. All right, folks, relax. 10-second rest. We got walking planks next. All right, advanced version, you want to put the feet together. Modification, spread the feet wide. We're here for 30 seconds. All right, 10-second rest. We have butt taps next. All right, take a knee, another 10 seconds. The next exercise is 20 seconds. We're doing alternating one-hand planks. All right, I'm going to start using a fist, but you guys can keep your palms on the floor. My palms were hurting, but I'm also just a stone cold beast, and I like to do things that are difficult. All right, but feel free to put your palms on the floor because you may not be built or wired like this animal that's speaking right now. All right, and that's it, folks. Elvis has left the building. This is a really good core exercise. Repeat it 3 times. It's tough. It's a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be. All right, so 3 times. If you're a beginner, if you're a novice, once or twice. All right, take a 1-minute rest in between the circuit. Keep those rest periods short. That's what's going to help make this workout intense. That's going to help you burn more calories. That's going to help you get a nice core, nice abs. Listen, I'm Jeff London. If I haven't told you I love you, listen, I love you.